Back in 2012, we were one of the only shops that everybody thought it was crazy that we were going to go independent with no insurance contracts, and nobody had ever really done that before. Almost every shop in town had direct repair accounts with insurance companies. When we opened up the doors here, we knew 100% we're going to be independent, which means our customer's our customer, not the insurance company. A lot more people are starting to do this and starting to take that route because they understand they can't compete with these huge consolidators that are coming in. We all know them, the big billboard shops. They're owned by a lot of corporations, a lot of hedge fund organizations, a lot of big investment groups, even outside of this country. So number one, you're not keeping that money local in your area, in your neighborhood. Also, you're not supporting the small shops that are really up there to go to bat for you. I made a promise to myself that I wasn't going to go big. I don't want to take my eye off the prize and doing what's right. I'd rather stay small, stay boutique style with my services and my quality. Have the best team to help out with those things, and it's very rewarding to know now that you see these big shops going through financial hardships time and time again. They keep getting bought out by other people coming in with more funds, but they don't change any of their ways of doing business, and we see it all the time. Reduced labor rates, alternative parts, cutting corners where need be, mainly in paint operations. It's sad. It fuels me to continue doing what we do, which is doing the right thing on these cars, and obviously it's worked for us and it's paid off very well. It's taken me 11, almost 12 years to define and the process and the team that I have to this day, and I want to continue focused on what matters the most, and that's the customer and doing the right thing.